Hi guys, just wanted to share this with you. It's not exactly the most interesting video I'll ever do, but what it was, I use rebar to do electric fencing, and a few people have said to me, why do you use rebar? Because once you've hammered it in, if you need to move it, you can't get it out. But I don't understand. Very simple little hack. As you can see, the rebar's in. I can't. There's no way of shifting it. Now, the simple hack, if you actually look at the rebar, it's got corrugation on it. That is actually thread-like. So all you do, you get a pair of grips on it and you twist it. And as you twist it, it acts a bit like a screw. And I don't know if you can see that, but all we're doing is undoing it like we would a screw. I've never yet had a piece I can't get back out that I've hammered into the ground. This might be so easy. So I couldn't move it at all before. We've twisted it a few times and then we come to do it and it's out. Okay, bye.